Understanding blood replacement, an essential guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our latest video. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, blood replacement. This term might sound medical, but it's used in various contexts. Stay tuned as we unravel its meanings and usage. Blood replacement typically refers to a medical procedure where blood or blood components are given to a person to replace lost blood. This can happen during surgeries, after accidents, or in treating certain diseases. It's crucial for saving lives, and understanding this term can be important in medical contexts. Interestingly, blood replacement can also have figurative meanings. For instance, in a company or organization, when older employees retire and new ones are hired, this can be described as a blood replacement. It implies rejuvenating or refreshing an organization by introducing new ideas and energy. Now, let's see how to use this phrase in sentences. 1. In a medical context, the patient required a blood replacement after the surgery. 2. In a figurative context, the tech company underwent a blood replacement, hiring many young innovators. Understanding synonyms can broaden your understanding. For blood replacement, related terms include blood transfusion, more specific, medical, regeneration or renewal, in a figurative, non-medical context. We hope this video has illuminated the phrase, blood replacement, for you. Whether it's in a hospital or a boardroom, this term carries significant weight. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using English phrases like a pro. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.